Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves. Today we are unboxing something that's been creating a lot of hype in the audio world. So I'm talking about this Nirvana ION Boats earpods. Yes, these are said to be one of the Boats most premium earpods till date. So loaded with massive battery life, crystal clear sound and some crazy cool features. So let's unbox it, test it out and see if it's really worth your money. So guys, if you want to watch our latest tech videos, please subscribe to our TechnoWaves channel and click that bell icon so you will never miss any updates from our channel. So let's get started. In last, I'm talking about some special features of this, so watch till the end. So let's get started. So here's the box. Wow, very clean design as always from Boat. Right on the front we have the picture of the earbuds, here you can see, and on the back some of the major highlights like it has. Now let's open it up. Wow guys, so here comes our main earpods. Wow guys, amazing. It's look very premium. We have got this Type-C cable for charging and some extra ear tips. Yes, that's it guys. And here they are, the Nirvana ION earpods. The case feels very premium, matte finish, very compact. That Boat logo gives a classy touch. As you can see guys, talking about the design guys, these look super sleek and lightweight. The stems are slightly shorter and I really like the in-ear fit. They sit perfectly without feeling heavy. Let's pair it up quickly. Now let's pair it up very quickly. Pairing is super fast guys. It instantly shows up as Boat Nirvana ION. Here you can see it will connect it automatically. Alright guys, now let's talk about the features before jumping into the sound. We get a dual EQ modes, that is balanced mode for clear vocals and signature mode for the deep thumping bass. Yes, in this earpod we get two modes. Earpods we get a dual EQ modes, that is balanced mode. We can clearly listen vocals and bass, and of course beast mode is here for gamers with 60 ms low latency for smooth audio during a gameplay. Now let's test the sound quality. So I will place it on my table and I will play some music. Wow guys, the sound quality is very amazing. Super clear sound, bass is punchy but not overpowering. Vocals are crisp and the instrument separation feels on point. Definitely one of the best in Boat's lineup. It is very best feature. It has noise cancellation so we can easily communicate with our loved ones. Now about the battery life, this is where the ION kills it. You get up to 120 hours of playback. That means it is very fast charging. Just 10 minutes gives around 2 hours of use. That's insane for wireless earpods in this range. So overall guys, this Boat Nirvana ION offers killer sound, crazy battery life and stylish design. Perfect for music lovers and gamers. And also guys, if you want to change the mode, you just have to double tap and wait for 3 seconds. It will automatically change the mode. If you are looking for all-round performance under budget, so this one definitely gets a thumbs up from TechnoWaves. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you enjoyed this unboxing, subscribe for more awesome tech videos and comment below what you want me to review next. And I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay tuned and keep vibing with TechnoWaves. Thanks for watching.